Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. And by the way, welcome back I hope everybody had a great holiday. It's been actually a fairly active day for day after Christmas. So look at this FUSN, guys. We saw this one in the pre-market, okay? And the our AI, nailed this one right at 777. Now, you had an opportunity because look what happened. It had an opportunity. It got down to 734, did not get stopped out. The stop was way down here. And then you had an opportunity as it got back up to 777 to take the trade. So you don't have to take these trades right off the bat. You can kind of watch to see how they're trading. Why I like this one is that, other than, a little bit of action right around here, this was fairly steadily up until we hit this red bar. So from 777, before we had this giant red bar hit us, it got up to 855, which is a really, really good percentage move. And on a day, yeah, there was some action, but obviously the market is pretty slow, probably be pretty slow for the rest of this week. This was a really nice one that was spotted by our AI. Okay, guys, I want to get back into the room. Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.